Do we really know how to build bonds with our kids? Is it about taking them to the park or to sporting events? One-on-one time? Nightly dinners?
The answer is somewhat surprising. While all these things are important, the number one thing we can do is something we probably don't think much about.
But before we find out the number one way to build deep bonds, is it really worth it?
Study after study shows that children who have these deep bonds, they get better grades, they live longer, they whine less, they have longer attention spans, they have fewer discipline problems, they even solve more of their own problems.
So finally, what is the best way to build these deep bonds?
Studies say that actually the number one thing we can do to build deep bonds with our kids is to help them when they're emotionally upset.
Most people think that relationships are primarily built during fun moments, like when we go on a hike. However, relationships are mostly built or torn down during moments when our loved ones are upset. It's how we respond during these moments that really determine the quality of the relationship.
When I first heard about this, I thought, really? The deep bonds are built during my kids' emotional moments? As a parent, I used to think of those as just something to survive. But the science, it's pretty clear on this. And the good news is there are some simple tools we can learn to make these emotional moments much easier.